Hello students, today we'll see the material handling system. So material handling system is very important in any industry, any manufacturing industry, because it is comprising of almost 10 to 30% of the product cost. So the industrial development has lead to the growth of factory plant size. The growth of the factory or the plant sizes has created huge demand for material handling system. So any material handling process consists of three types or three activities. So number one, picking up of the load, so load picking, then transporting the load from one station to another station, and settling load down. So these are the three main processes of the activities. Although the material handling does not add to the value of any product, but it adds significant element of cost. In general, we can say that the material handling cost ranges from 10% to 35% of the cost of the product. As the material handling cost constitutes a large portion of the product cost, the material handling engineers primarily function is to be minimize the material handling and its cost. So it is said that the best handling is the least handling. Okay, so you can see here the material handling is happening here by using the belt conveyors. So this is one of the robot which is picking the product, raw product, or we can say raw material from this, and it is placing in CNC or machine, and the finished product from here. So likewise, same, you can see these boxes are moving on the roller conveyors. This is hoist mechanism. This particular product is moved from one place to another place by using the magnet. Then there will be a conveyor where the material is being transferred from one station to another station. So the material handling system. So material handling system, you can see this is a forklift truck and it is useful for handling the particular product. Now these boxes are transferred from one station to another station by using the conveyor system. This is a forklift. So system concept, these are the number of options or the material handling systems are there. Hand, pilot, truck. Okay, likewise you can see most of the examples are there. They are available in the industries for various moments of different products or the material from one place to another place. So what is system concept for material handling? So any solution to the material handling system must satisfy the conditions. So what are some conditions? Number one, we can say the solution to material handling problem should not transfer the problem into other areas of the product cycle. Number two, we can say the solution should not only resolve the immediate problems but also takes care of problem for a reasonable long period of time. It should be able to account for future expansion and modification of the particular factory without costings or without unnecessary costings. The solution should not be prone to rapid obsolescence. The solution should be simple as soon as possible and easy to adopt. The solution should be such that the initial cost as well as the operation cost should be minimum. So these are the system concept of the material handling system. Now what are the types of the loads that can be handled by using material handling system? So number one is bulk load. So bulk load is like this. You can see in the figure that bulk load is the coal mining site is there. Okay, so here the site is there, coal mining site or processing plant is there. That processing plant, the stock pile will be there, and this will be transferred on the rail car. Through the rail car, it will be transferred to the a particular ports. So from this, this conveyor will transfer this coal into the ship for shipping the particular coal from this plant, the plant mine, to the ship. So in this way, the bulk load, this is a bulk load, homogeneous bulk load. So same material is transferred here. So the bulk load consists of a large number of homogeneous particles or the lumps of any material. So we have taken the example of coal, mineral ore, sand, then we can say clay, stones, cements, etc. Then next type is unit load. So unit load is a single load, we can say. It's a single rigid mass which can be handled or transferred from one to another in a single piece. For example, you can say boxes are there, machines are there, containers are there. So these are the unit load. Likewise, you can see the boxes are placed on the particular hoist and that can be moved from one place to another place. This is already done. Then what is containerization? So containerization is the process of converting the bulk load or small loads into a unit load by using the containers. So what we'll do, we'll use the boxes. For example, boxes will be used for this coal and that will be boxes will be transferred. So that is a containerization. So in factory, the plant is inconvenient to handle the bulk load. Obvious. So small particles are there that will be not transferred uniformly or quickly from one place to another. So that's why we are using the containers for the bulk loads. So there are some considerations in containerization. So what are the considerations? So we can see the limit, the number of container size and shape, design the container size and shape based on the load to be handled, sizes the container taking account space available in the material handling system, size, design the containers for stacking arrangements, design the containers for flexibility and maximum utilization, keep the containers painted, color code the containers by functions. So these are some of the considerations while we are going for the containerization. Okay, so this way we have seen the what is meant by material handling system and why it is important to transfer the material from one other place. And why we are studying this? Because the 10 to 35% of the product cost will be incurred in this. That's why it's very important to study the material handling system. So we have seen some GIF files of material handling system. We have seen the concept of material handling system. We have seen the types of loads, that is bulk load, how the bulk load is transferred from one place to another place. Then another type was unit loads, how the unit load is transferred. Then what is containerization? So it's a containerization means the bulk load will be placed in a containers or the boxes, and that boxes will be transferred from one place to another place. There are some considerations in containerization that we have seen. Okay, so that's it. Thank you.